And welcome to Knowledge and Quiz Universe. Our today's general knowledge quiz is on the World Heritage Sites of India, where we cover mountain railways of India. So let us begin with the questions. Which of the following is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Kalka Shimla Railway, or all of the above? The correct answer is all of the above. These three railways are also called as Indian Mountain Railways, which are a part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which of the following is also called the toy train? Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Kalka Shimla Railway, or all of the above? The correct answer is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is also known as DHR or the toy train. It is a 2 feet 610 mm narrow gauge railway. In many websites you will see that they use this toy train term very generically, but it is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway that is named as the toy train. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is in which state of India? Assam, West Bengal, Sikkim, or Meghalaya? The correct answer is West Bengal. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is in West Bengal. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway runs between Darjeeling and Siliguri, Darjeeling and Howrah, Darjeeling and Durgapur, or Darjeeling and New Jalpaiguri. I am talking about the start and end stations. The correct answer is Darjeeling and New Jalpaiguri. It begins from New Jalpaiguri and goes all the way to Darjeeling, covering several stations in between. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway was built between 1860 and 1865, 1879 and 1881, 1883 and 1885, or 1887 and 1891. The correct answer is 1879 and 1881. The construction of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway started in 1879 and it concluded in 1881. What is the length of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway? 100 kilometers, 96 kilometers, 88 kilometers, or 83 kilometers? The correct answer is 88 kilometers. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is 88 kilometers long. Who proposed the construction of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway? Frederick Walton, Franklin Prestage, Francis Spring, or George Turnbull? The correct answer is Franklin Prestage. He was a railway engineer in British era and he proposed that there has to be a train from New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling. And based on his proposal, this work was taken further. What is the highest point in the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway? Kurseong, Tung, Sonada, or Ghum? The correct answer is Ghum. It is situated at an altitude of 2,258 meters or 7,407 feet. So this is one of the stations which is the highest point in this Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Nilgiri Mountain Railway is in which state of India? Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri Hills are the ones where this railway is made. Nilgiri Mountain Railway is in the state of Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri Mountain Railway uses which track gauge? Broad gauge, standard gauge, medium gauge or meter gauge? The correct answer is meter gauge. It uses a 1000 mm meter gauge. Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built in which year? 1903, 1908, 1911 or 1915? The correct answer is 1908. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built in the year 1908. Which of the following is a rack railway? Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Kalka Shimla Railway or all of the above? The correct answer is Nilgiri Mountain Railway, and it is the only rack railway in India. What is a rack railway? Rack railway is a steep grade railway that uses rack and pinion arrangement to operate on steep grades above 10%. As you can see in the picture, there is a rack and there is a pinion. So they use this arrangement to climb up the steep grades. It uses the NMR, that is Nilgiri Mountain Railway. It uses ABT rack and pinion system. ABT rack pinion system is the rack and pinion system. The name ABT comes through its inventor, and it uses this ABT rack and pinion system to climb the steep gradient between Mettupalayam and Kunur. That is the region. Nilgiri Mountain Railway travels from one place to other. In between there is a place called Mettupalayam, the stretch Mettupalayam and Kunur. In that stretch, rack and pinion arrangement or rack and pinion system is used to climb the gradient, and this rack and pinion system is used only in Nilgiri Mountain Railway. So NMR is the only rack railway in India. A very, very important point to remember from exam point of view and even otherwise. What is the length of Nilgiri Mountain Railway? 46 kilometers, 51 kilometers, 58 kilometers or 62 kilometers? The correct answer is 46 kilometers. Nilgiri Mountain Railway, the stretch over which it travels is 46 kilometers long. Nilgiri Mountain Railway runs between which stations? Mettupalayam and Udagamandalam, Tambaram and Ooty, Dindigul and Erode or Salem and Tanjavur. These are the places in Tamil Nadu. You have to tell that Nilgiri Mountain Railway runs between which stations in these options. The correct answer is Mettupalayam and Udagamandalam. Udagamandalam is also known as Ooty and it's abbreviated as Udagai. Okay, so between these two stations, Mettupalayam and Udagamandalam, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway runs. And in which stretch the rack and pinion system is used? From Mettupalayam to Kunur. Kunur is a station that comes in between Mettupalayam and Udagamandalam. Alright, during that stretch we use rack and pinion system to climb up the steep grade. And NMR is the only railway in India which uses this arrangement of rack and pinion system. Let's go to the next question. But before we continue, if you think that you got to learn something, if you find these videos useful, please like them and also consider to subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. Kalka-Shimla Railway runs through which Indian states? Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, Uttarakhand and Haryana, or Punjab and Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. Kalka to Shimla, these are in two different states. The stretch, it runs from or in between, it crosses through Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. Kalka-Shimla Railway uses which track gauge? Broad gauge, standard gauge, medium gauge, or narrow gauge? The correct answer is narrow gauge. The Kalka-Shimla Railway uses a 2 feet 6 inch, that is 762 mm narrow gauge railway. So if you notice, all the three, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, as well as Kalka-Shimla Railway, they all make use of narrow gauge. This is one point to remember. The Kalka-Shimla Railway line was inaugurated in which year? 1898, 1900, 1903 or 1906? The correct answer is 1903. This railway line was inaugurated in the year 1903. Who inaugurated the Kalka-Shimla railway line? Henry Harding, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Lytton, or Lord Curzon? The correct answer is Lord Curzon. The Kalka-Shimla railway line was inaugurated on 9th November 1903 by the British Viceroy Lord Curzon. Please remember the date, 9th November 1903 by the British Viceroy Lord Curzon. What is the distance covered by the Kalka-Shimla railway line? 96.6 kilometers, 100.2 kilometers, 133 kilometers, or 128 kilometers? The correct answer is 96.6 kilometers. It is the distance of 96.6 kilometers that Kalka-Shimla railway line covers. The Kalka-Shimla railway line crosses through how many tunnels? 83, 102, 120 or 134? The correct answer is 102. Initially there were 107 tunnels built originally, but 102 exist and the tunnel number 46 does not exist. What happened? Because of the landslides, many tunnels got closed and at present 102 exist. Out of these 102 tunnels, Baroque tunnel number 33, tunnel number 33 is 3752 feet long, 3752 feet long, and it is the longest tunnels of the Kalka-Shimla railway line. It is a very, very important point to remember. Tunnel number 33, also called as Baroque tunnel, is 3752 feet long among all the 102 tunnels that are used by the Kalka-Shimla railway line, and this is the longest tunnel in this stretch. So there are some more important points about Kalka-Shimla railway line that you must remember. I have just summarized here. The railway has 988 bridges and viaducts. Okay, so it has 102 tunnels and it has 988 bridges and viaducts. A ruling gradient of 1 in 33, that is 3% of ruling gradient. There are 917 curves that this railway line makes, and the sharpest one is 48 degrees. The Baroque tunnel, tunnel number 33, which is 3,752 feet long, is the longest tunnel of Kalka-Shimla railway line. 107 tunnels were originally built, but as a result of landslides, only 102 remain in use. During winter months, snow cutters are attached to the engine to clear the snow from the track. Some important points these are. Also, the trains on the Kalka-Shimla railway line are Shivalik Deluxe Express. It has 10 coaches with chair cars and meal service. Then you have Kalka-Shimla Express. It has first, second and unreserved seating. Then it has Kalka-Shimla Express has first class, second class and unreserved seating. Then there is Himalayan Queen. It connects at Kalka with the express mail of the same name and the Kalka Shatabdi Express to Delhi. Then you have Kalka-Shimla Passenger. It is first and second class and unreserved seating, same like Kalka-Shimla Express. Then you have got Rail Motor, first class rail bus with a glass roof and front view. And then you have Shivalik Queen, 10 carriage luxury fleet. Each carriage accommodates up to 8 people. It has 2 toilets, wall-to-wall carpeting and large windows. So these are the popular mountain railways of India, and the 3 of them, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, Nilgiri Mountain Railways and Kalka-Shimla Railway Line, which are also the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. With this, we have come to the end of this quiz, and if you learn something, please like this video and consider to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.